Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be cooking leftovers and I have spaghetti. So today I'm going to be making a spaghetti frittata. Very simple to make, wonderful when you have leftovers. You can have spaghetti with the sauce or without, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do, 2 cups of ham diced up. You can use salami diced up, you can use bacon, or you don't have to use any meat at all. It's totally optional. You can do this as a meatless dish. So let's just add the ham in. On the weekend, you just want something to pick on. They're great for picnics, barbecues. All right, so now we're going to add the spaghetti. I got about 1 pound of spaghetti here. Get all that in there. Now we have to mix this very well. We want everything to be incorporated. Take your time. It's no rush. Just get all that egg in with the spaghetti and get the ham all incorporated. Coming along nicely. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start heating up the pan. Now, this is going to cook. We're going to turn it on high just to get it heated. We're going to have this cook for 10 minutes on one side. So we want to put it at a low medium because we don't want it to burn, but we really want it to crisp up. And if you feel you have too much mixture and not a big enough pan, you can do this in two batches. But it's very simple. Great, like I said, for leftover spaghetti. So you just don't chuck it out. You make a great meal with it. This is great if you go into somebody's house for dinner or barbecue and you want to bring something. This is wonderful. It's different. Not many people have had it. It's very flavorful. If you don't have leftover spaghetti, just make a batch of spaghetti up. Just make sure it's cooled down to make this recipe first. Okay, while this is heating up now, so we're going to add some oil. About 1/4 cup. Please use a non-stick pan because this will stick and it's going to be very difficult to get out. Okay. So this is all mixed well. to get nice and hot to start. You want to hear a little sizzle. So I'll just put some there to test it out. And while you're waiting, just continue to mix. And once you hear the spaghetti really sizzling nicely, then you know it's time to put it in. Alright, start it up. So now we're going to slowly add in our spaghetti. So I'm just trying to split this in half so I can make two. All right. We're going to let this cook about 10 minutes. Then we'll check the sides. See how they're doing. And we'll come back when that's all side is finished. So it's been 10 minutes. Now you want to make sure that it's moving in your pan because you don't want it to stick whatsoever. I've been lifting the sides and you can see that it's getting nice and toasted on the bottom. Now we need to flip this, okay? So the simplest way is to get yourself a plate, turn it over, right? Put it on top. Don't hesitate. Flip it. There you go. Now we're going to put it, slide it right back into the pan. When you hesitate, that's when things tend to fall apart. So just, like I said, quickly do it. Alright, so now on this side, we're going to let it cook for 5 more minutes. Even if you flipped it and it broke apart, don't worry about it, because it'll taste fantastic in the end. So I'm going to just cook this a little longer. Most of it is cooked now. We just need to get that other side, so the 5 minutes is fine. If you want it really, really more crispy, you can go longer. That's up to you. Shake it, make sure not sticking. And when this is done, it should cut just like a pie. And then remember, we still have another one. So it's nice when you have a pound of spaghetti. This will get you 2 frittatas. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes on this side. Just slide it onto our plate. Just going to let that rest a minute, and while I do that, I'm going to put the remaining spaghetti in, and we'll make our other frittata. Just push it down, make sure there's no air gaps or anything like that in them. And then again, this is going to go for 10 minutes. You can hear how nice and crispy spaghetti came. My mother would make this dish not too often, but when she did, it was fantastic. Here we have it. Alright, so this is the second one. I just wanted to show you again how to flip it out of the pan. So we reached 10 minutes. You're going to stick our fork underneath, and you're just going to check to see if it's a nice golden brown. If it's not, again, you can wait a little longer. Now I have this on a low. Alright, I have it at a number 3. We don't want it to burn, but we want it to get golden. So you just have to watch it and be careful. So now when we flip it, again, it's very easy. You just have to do it. Don't hesitate. Put the plate in, flip it, slide it back in. It's not very difficult. But if you're not used to it, it can be scary. So again, we want to shake it. Make sure it's sliding around so it's not stuck whatsoever. Get a plate that is going to be the same size. Alright, even if it hangs over a little on the edge, it's okay because we're just using this to flip. Put it in, put your hand on top, flip, take the pan off, slide it right back in. Simple as that. If you want to get fancy and do the one flip, good luck. It could be done, but alright, so that's how it's done. And then now we wait another 5 minutes or so to get it nice and brown. This is nice and crispy. This is what we're looking for. Dry. And then after the 5 minutes, just slide it onto another plate and slice it up just like a pie, and it's perfect. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.